What's up, TNT baby? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but y'all doing? So I decided to stand for today's video because I feel good and I wanted to show you why I feel good. So today I am sharing with you these two new products from A88CBD from the Alkaline 88 family, which, have you guys ever seen the Alkaline 88 water? If you drink your alkaline water, you definitely know which alkaline water is very good for you. Anyway, so I've been feeling really good and I wanted to share these with you because I've never ever tried a hemp CBD hydrating body lotion. Let me just, no, but really, I've had some serious pain, like serious pain with my hip. My rectus femoris lately has been not happy, and I have a huge knot going from here all the way down my leg, which this is very important for me as I work out every day. I need to take care of this. So I've been trying to stretch and foam roll and do the massage gun, and it's connecting down to the back of my glute, all the way down to my legs. So I've been going to leg therapy, massages, everything, because you guys know that I love training leg day. So what has been helping me, I've been trying everything. I need topical, I need internal help, I'm getting massages, like I said, everything. So I knew that CBD is really good for you internally, but I was also like externally, I need something to help with the pain like currently right now on the outside. So this lotion here, it's fragrance free, which is really good, and it's clinically, it's all certified vegan, so it doesn't have any type of animal products in here, which you guys know that I'm all about. So what I do with this one, it contains lab tested full spectrum hemp, but the ingredients, the reason why I love is the ingredients are all natural. You guys know I'm plant-based, vegan. I only put natural things in my body. So when I find a really good product that I must promote and tell you guys, of course, I will come on here and let you know. But the key ingredients are shea butter, apricot kernel oil, aloe vera, leaf juice, chamomile extract, lavender oil, copaiba oil, and CBD oil. So I've been feeling so freaking good when I've been putting this on. So the best way to do it for me, I just got out of the shower. What I do is I just take a few pumps here and I rub it down on my leg in the sore spot. That helps. It's also really good because it makes you feel very shiny and moisturized, but it doesn't leave like a sticky residue after. And then another thing that I have been doing with it, which you guys know about CBD, this one is orange cream, and it's 300 milligrams. I needed that extra strength right now because if I tell you, I kid you not, my leg has been literally killing me. So I really like this one because I've never tried a CBD that has stevia extract in it. I use stevia every single day for everything to sweeten my stuff. If you guys don't know what stevia is, I keep getting those confused. Stevia and CBD. If you don't know what stevia is, it's a natural form of a sugar that they make from a plant. So this is also makes this taste really good, and it has just filtered water, medium chain triglycerides. So it's all good stuff in here, and you take one whole dropper, and what I do is I like to get the whole tincture here, and look at this color. Look at how cool that creamsicle color is. Orange cream, and I love how it tells you on here the milliliters on there, but I like to get it, and I always make sure that when I do my dropper, I place it underneath my tongue, so that way I can hold it there for 60 seconds and get the full benefits for it to come down my body into my veins, and I just feel like I get more benefit out of my CBD. So these two are only a few of their amazing products that I will link down below. But you guys always ask what I do to help with my pain. Of course, stretching. Of course, if you're dealing with something like sciatica or things in the inside of your body, you need to take care of that with stretching. And of course, not just adding topical in your body and outside your body to just mask the pain, but you also need to fix the problem internally, and then externally, things like this are what are really going to help. So CBD does have amazing benefits. If you guys don't know all the benefits, I will link them down below so you can check it out. And of course their website, and I will see if I can hook you guys up, as you know I always love to. So these were 2 things that I really want to share with you guys today. Make sure you are staying safe and healthy. Drink your water because it's so important for the glowing skin. And get your CBD. I love you all, and I'll see you all soon.